Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study the budgeting. Myself, Mr. Sachin Korde from Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Tandori. Budgeting is a written plan covering a projected activities of a firm for a definite period of time. In fact, a budget is a tool of management for carrying out its function of planning, coordinating, and controlling the operation. It is a written plan for definite period of time. Without plans, we are not going to make the budget. The budget systems is both a plan as well as control, and as such, it is also include the budgetary control. If you have done any plan, if you want to execute that plan effectively, that times we need the proper control on that plan. Otherwise, we are getting failure in that plan. So, budgetary control is also the important part of our budgeting. Objective of budgetary control: first objective is planning, second is coordination, and last one is control. Without planning, we are not going to achieve our plans. If we set the target, we set the goal, then we will move towards that direction. So planning first, budgetary control. Planning is the first objective of our budgetary control. Budget is a plan of action. For the success of firm, it is essential that it must plan, and a budget will be helpful in this phase of management activities. Budgeting involves drawing up detailed plan relating to the production schedule, sales target, advertisement program. All the activities should be planned. Like target should be planned. The target should be achievable, or it should be motivate the employees to achieve that goals. So planning is very important in each and every department. Second one objective is coordination. Is the process whereby different division of concern work towards the common goal, and effective coordination requires the proper communication of objective and instructions, which can be achieved only through the careful planning and organization. If the organization set the goal, for that achievement of that goal, all the department needs to coordinate with each other, then they will be achieve the organizational goal. Otherwise, they will get the failure in that goal. Organization get the failure in that goal. Next objective of budgetary control is control. Control is the main action. When we are going to plan, then we are coordinating. If we are not controlling all this activity, then we are getting failure. So controlling is the important tool to get the success. Control is the action necessary to ensure that plans and objectives are being achieved. Budgetary control makes the control possible by comparing the actual performance. Controlling means we need to do the periodical review, what we have achieved and what we have planned. So controlling is very important tool. Advantages of budgetary control is budgeting is an effective way of controlling the cost and eliminating the wastage. It promotes the economy and efficiency. It is helpful to promote the efficiency and economy. So budgetary control is important. Budgets are constructed taking into the consideration feedback information supplied by the lower level of management. Every department frames its own budget in consultations with the departmental staff. Thus, it makes two-way communication in the organization. Coordination, here we consider the objective coordination, so it will make the two-way communication to achieve that goals. Budget makes the management by exception possible. The comparisons of actual and budgeted performance will show up weak spots where the management attention is needed the most. Thus, budgeting is an important technique of control. Next are advantages is budget acts as a strong incentive to employee by fixing the target of performance. Once we fix the target, then employee will move towards that goal, and they will be getting the some additional benefit apart from their regular wages. This is the advantages of our budgetary control. These are some limitations of our budgetary control. It is based on estimates. It's large extent on the degree of accuracy with which estimates are made. Budgetary control does not take place in the management. In fact, it is a tool of management. It is a tool for management. It is not the part of our management. It is become costly to operate. Definitely, it will be the costly to operate because we need to take the additional employees to make the control on that plan. So it is mostly costly. Requirement of effective budgeting. First one is the cooperation of top management. The cooperation of top management means budgeting must have the complete cooperation of the top management. This requires commitment of top management to the budget ideas as well as to the principles and policies underlying it. Next one is a clearly defined organization. In order to carry out budgeting in a manner that will provide the maximum benefits, a good organization within the business has to be developed. Next one is accurate accounting system. The accounting systems in the business should be such as to hold each part of the organization to its responsibility. Unambiguous policy. A budget program is always based on the certain fundamentals, the collections of which is called the policy of the business. So no program can be prepared without the knowledge of the business policy to be adopted during the period of covered by the budget. Next one is preparation by responsible person. The responsibility of preparation of budget estimates should be raised on those executives who are responsible for the performance of the budget, such as approach would guarantee to a certain extent the proper implementation of program contained in the budget. Next one is the constant vigilance. An effective systems of budgetary control requires the constant vigilance at all levels. A provision must be made for the comparison of budgeted and actual result at the frequent interval. It means control should be there on each step. Next one is budget committee. A budget committee has to be established consisting of budget director, chief executive officer and executive of various departments of the organization for successful implementation of budget. Cost of operation. The budget system should not cost more to operate than it is worth. It implies a caution against expensive refinement unless their value clearly justifies them. Last one is reasonable attainable goals. Goals should be attainable. It should be easy to achieve. Budget figures should be realistic and represent the reasonably attainable goals to gain the maximum profit. These are the requirements of effective budgeting. Thank you so much.